How does Affidavit of Support work for stepchild petitions? If you are considering sponsoring a stepchild for immigration to the United States, you will need to understand the Affidavit of Support. This is a legal document that shows you can financially support your stepchild. It helps ensure that they will not need public assistance once they arrive in the country. To start, the Affidavit of Support is submitted using Form I-864. This form is essential for family-based immigration, especially for stepchildren. The person sponsoring must be at least 18 years old and either a United States citizen or a lawful permanent resident. Additionally, the sponsor must have a residence in the United States or its territories. A key requirement is that the marriage between the sponsor and the stepchild's biological parent must have taken place before the stepchild turned 18. This is a strict rule that must be followed for the stepchild to be eligible for sponsorship. Next, the sponsor must demonstrate that their income meets or exceeds 125% of the federal poverty guidelines for their household size. This household size includes the sponsor, any dependents, and the immigrant being sponsored. If the sponsor's income does not meet this requirement, they can seek a joint sponsor. A joint sponsor must also submit their own Form I-860 and provide proof of their income and legal status. The Affidavit of Support is a binding contract. This means the sponsor agrees to financially support the stepchild until they become a United States citizen, can earn 40 quarters of work, which is about 10 years, or permanently leave the United States. Along with the affidavit, the sponsor must provide proof of their relationship to the stepchild. This can include marriage certificates and birth certificates to establish eligibility. For Latino families, it is vital to gather thorough documentation proving the marriage to the stepchild's parent occurred before the child turned 18. This documentation is essential for a successful petition. Calculating household size accurately is also important. This includes all dependents and immigrants being sponsored. If the sponsor's income is insufficient, finding a joint sponsor within the family or community can be a helpful option. Stepchild petitions often face requests for additional evidence. Therefore, submitting comprehensive proof of the relationship and financial ability upfront can help reduce delays. The Affidavit of Support ensures that the sponsor can financially support the stepchild immigrant. Meeting income requirements and proving the qualifying marriage are essential steps in this process. Understanding these requirements is key for Latino families navigating family-based immigration.